Hello, welcome back to another video. We are opening the collector bundle. This is actually my first recording it so you'll be able to see my hands. Hopefully you don't mind that. Please don't. But we are going to open the season 2 collector bundle. It's the Pixel Corgi. Yep, here's my hands if you want to know. Hand reveal. I don't really care, to be honest. Hang on. I'm not trying to reveal too much of my body. I'm gonna pause this recording until I actually open this. Okay, so I got it opened. Time to... Actually, I've never opened this. This is my first time opening the Pixel Corgi bundle. Little plushie here. You want to open it? Dang it. Well, here we go. We're going to get a legendary and exclusive code if you're wondering. Oh, it's a Pixel chick! Look at this. So we got that there. Now we got the eggs. So I'm going to open them all and then, yeah, I'll show you guys. Oh, got the first one open. It's a pixel egg. Yeah, I'm trying. Okay. Oh, I think we got the basic pixel egg here. I don't know what egg that is. Please comment down below. Oh, we got this thing. I forgot about this. We have new pets here. And all these. Hand reveal again. Hand reveal. Hopefully you don't mind. Okay. Oh, we have one more egg. Where's my chicken blush? I think I lost it. Okay, there it is. And then... there we go. Then we have, what egg is this? I think this is the exact same. It is. Okay, so these will all be opened in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So, yeah. We got all this. We got Pixel Chick, Pixel Dragon, and Pixel Shark. Tell me if the Pixel Shark looks wrong because this came off like that, so I don't know if it's supposed to go like this or like this, but and we'll keep it like this. And then we have our 2 codes that we will redeem in game. So I'm gonna stop this recording and start a new recording in Pet Simulator X. So we'll be right back in 3, 2, 1. And we're here, and we're here, and we're here, and we're here, and we're here. Okay, that's it. I'm done. So we are. Oh my god, it's so laggy in here. I need to turn off the setting. Show the pets. No. We will redeem my coats. So I'm gonna cut ahead until I scratch off and put the legendary code in here. So 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's redeem it. Hey! Let's go. And then we will do the exclusive code now. So, once again, I'm going to cut ahead and then redeem it on camera. So, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I have the code. This is the exclusive one. I'm gonna go right here and redeem. Here we go. Come on. Grow. 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 Ah, it's a normal. But nice. Let's go. Oh my god, everybody's freaking out. And then I'll open this as well. Come on. Grow. Ugh. Dang it. You know what? Putting this on. And my mosaic elephant, because I don't want that. No, okay. Well, that's what I got. So, peace out, like and subscribe, and enjoy. And I hope I enjoyed this pixel cooking. Anyways, goodbye.